What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to max out Ringside Pass to reach tier 40 quickly in WWE 2K26. Start by adjusting a few settings to make matches end faster. First, open gameplay settings and set the difficulty to easy. Then go to submission settings and change the submission system depending on your preference. Many players prefer rapid because you can finish submissions quickly by tapping. Next, open presentation settings and turn off post-match replay. This helps skip unnecessary scenes so matches end faster and you can start the next one immediately. After that, go to advanced settings, open the submission minigame settings and copy these settings so submissions become faster and easier to complete. Once the settings are ready, go to play now and choose an underground match. This match type skips the intro cutscene which saves time while grinding. For your superstar, choose Brock Lesnar because he has a very fast standing submission move. For the opponent, select someone with a very low overall rating so they submit quickly. A good option is Eric, who has one of the lowest ratings. Start the match and immediately perform the submission move. For that, hold RT plus B on Xbox, R2 plus circle on PlayStation or space plus L on PC. This triggers the standing submission because the opponent has a low overall rating and the difficulty is set to easy. They will usually submit very quickly. You can repeat these matches continuously. Many players report moving from tier 1 to tier 3 in about 10 minutes and reaching tier 40 within a few hours. You can also play music or a podcast while grinding matches since the process becomes repetitive. One more tip involves RXP boosters. It's usually better to save these boosters until after reaching tier 40 because they may not carry over to the next Ringside Pass. So this is the entire process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.